Here are the top 5 cybersecurity news for today. Cyber news number 1. SAP. Cybersecurity researchers uncover security shortcomings in SAP AI core cloud-based platform. Cybersecurity researchers discovered 5 vulnerabilities in SAP AI Core's cloud-based platform for creating and deploying predictive AI workflows. The flaws could have allowed attackers to access customers' data, contaminate internal artifacts, and spread to related services. The weaknesses were addressed by SAP on May 15, 2024, after responsible disclosure on January 25, 2024. The issues arise due to the platform's lack of adequate isolation and sandboxing mechanisms, making it feasible to run malicious AI models and training procedures without proper segmentation. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Cyber news number 2. U.S. Department of Justice unseals indictment against North Korean military intelligence operative for ransomware attacks. The U.S. Department of Justice has unsealed an indictment against Rim Jong-hyuk, a North Korean military intelligence operative, for allegedly carrying out ransomware attacks against healthcare facilities in the U.S. and funneling the payments to orchestrate additional intrusions into defense, technology, and government entities worldwide. The attacks targeted hospitals, healthcare companies, U.S. Air Force bases, NASA OAG, South Korean and Taiwanese defense contractors, a Chinese energy company, and others. The ransom payments were laundered through Hong Kong-based facilitators, converting the illicit proceeds into Chinese yuan. Cyber news number 3. The Hacker News, Digital Warfare. Cybersecurity training. The article discusses the evolution of cybersecurity from its early days with the creation of the Creeper virus in 1971 to the current threats posed by AI-driven malware. It highlights how the first antivirus software, Reaper, was developed to combat the Creeper virus, and notes that as attacks became more complex, defensive solutions evolved too. The article then explores the emergence of network-based attacks and the development of firewalls, load balancers, and intrusion detection systems. It also touches on the concept of offensive AI, which has been used by threat actors to create novel malware capable of evading traditional security controls. To combat these threats, further research into more sophisticated offensive AI is seen as a necessary step in understanding and defending against them. Cyber news number 4. U.S. Department of State announced. The U.S. Department of State has offered a reward of up to $10 million for information on Rim Jong-hyuk, a North Korean national accused of hacking hospitals, military bases, and NASA on behalf of the Reconnaissance General Bureau. He is alleged to be a member of the hacking group Adversary, which targets foreign businesses, government entities, and the defense industry for cyber espionage and financial gain. The group has been linked to hacks of U.S. healthcare organizations, NASA, and military bases, as well as international entities, with illegally obtained funds used to fund North Korea's cyber operations and arms race. Cyber news number 5. Telerik Report Server. Progress Software has issued an advisory for a critical severity vulnerability in its Telerik Report Server product, which could be exploited for remote code execution. The issue affects versions prior to 2024 Q2 and can be exploited by remote attackers without authentication. The vulnerability is described as an insecure deserialization flaw, CVE 2024-6327, with a CVSS score of 9/10. Thanks for sticking with us.